Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
Hello everyone. In this video I will explain how to use Amazon Echo Auto. Getting started is quite simple. First, plug your Echo Auto device into your car's 12-volt power outlet or a compatible USB port. Next, ensure you have the Alexa app downloaded and signed in on your smartphone. Then, open the Alexa app, navigate to the Devices section, tap Add Device, and choose Amazon Echo, followed by Echo Auto. This initial setup takes just a few minutes. Once your Echo Auto is powered on, the next step is to connect it to your car's audio system. You have two main options. Either connect your smartphone to your car's Bluetooth, or use the included 3.5mm auxiliary cable if your car has an auxiliary input. The Alexa app will guide you through the audio setup process. Remember to set your car stereo's input to either Bluetooth or auxiliary, matching your chosen connection method to hear Alexa clearly. With Echo Auto connected, you can now enjoy hands-free access to Alexa's many features while driving. Simply say, "Alexa," followed by your command. You can ask it to play music from your favorite streaming services, get turn-by-turn directions, or make phone calls without touching your phone. It can even control your smart home devices, check the weather, read audiobooks, and help you create shopping or to-do lists, all with your voice. To get the best experience from your Echo Auto, consider these tips. Position the device in a clear spot, away from air vents or other obstructions, so its 8 microphones can hear you clearly. Reducing background noise, like closing windows or lowering your car's stereo volume, also helps. Most importantly, Echo Auto relies on your smartphone's data connection, so ensure you have a stable internet connection for all features to work smoothly. Enjoy your enhanced driving experience.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.